Okay, class. Take all your journals out and write it down.
Excuse me, Miss Martin. May I please use the bathroom? And may I also please use the bathroom?
Okay, but please hurry back.
Okay, Dodger, let's you and me pull the fire alarm. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, class. We have a fire drill. Everyone come with me. Miss Martin and students, we have a good news. There is no fire in school. But the bad news is that someone pulled down the fire alarm. Do you know anyone who could do this? I think it was Steve and Dodger who both pulled down the fire alarm. I can't believe this. I think they used the bathroom as an excuse for causing trouble. I'm calling Steve and Dodger right now. Steve and Dodger, get over here right now.
What is it, Mrs. Clementine? Is there something wrong?
Someone pulled down the fire alarm. Did you do that?
Yes, we did.
Oh. Steve and Dodger, we can't believe you two pulled down the fire alarm. That is very unacceptable. That is so it. I'm calling both of your parents.
No.
Hello, parents. Your boys pulled down the fire drill. Can you please come over here and ground them? Okay, goodbye.
Dodger, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 1 week.
When we get home, we will take all your toys away. Now let's go.
Steve, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 1 week.
When we get home, you will go to bed. Now let's go. Okay, students, you all can go back to class.